係兩個土生土長嘅香港人。喺2018年5月10號，我哋做咗一個決定。
1年之後，我哋有限嘅生命入邊，
去展開一場無限期嘅旅行，
去探索呢個我哋唔知嘅世界，
去了解身處喺呢個世界嘅自己。
至於呢一趟旅程，我哋會遇到啲乜，
我哋都唔知。
好，我哋離開烏蘭巴托啦。咁而家呢，代表咩啊？代表西伯利亞鐵路正式開始。Thank you。
我哋而家就喺前往呢一個俄羅斯伊爾庫茨克嘅火車上面啦。呢架火車嘅感覺就比去呢個北京嘅時候嗰架火車好好多。可能佢比較 old school， 好多嘢都好木啦。咁跟住落嚟我就要喺度捱過一日啦。
Oh my god. Oh yeah, with this one, so everyone's gonna be in the photo. See? Yeah.
feel， 因為佢呢眼燈啦，
加埋啲木咧，嗰啲反射咧，好 old school 啊。
係啦，咁我哋今日咧其實好快嘅時間過得，因為我哋遇到好多唔同嘅人啦，傾咗好耐偈啦。咁希望聽朝再開心啲啦。
一定會好天嘅啫，哈姆太郎。
係咯。 finally here, Russia.
好，咁我哋而家嚟到呢個車站啦，咁又係到咗呢個身無分文嘅狀態。Hi， 咁我哋咧而家咧就同小伙伴們啦，咁就上咗一架類似的士咁樣嘅嘢啦。因為佢哋話佢哋有 cash， 所以就應該佢哋俾住先啦。咁然後我哋再出到去再去 ATM 去撳翻俾佢哋咯。
我哋程程都係咁。
我哋而家梳洗完啦，咁就去揾翻啱啱喺火車上邊認識嘅 Jimmy 同埋阿 Mesh， 咁就去約咗佢哋6點鐘喺呢個中央6點半喺呢個中央市場等，咁就今晚我哋會一齊 dinner 啦，同埋咧俾翻啱啱啲車錢佢哋。好，即刻出發！up 到佢兩個小伙伴啊，咁我哋今餐就食韓餐啦。佢話咧教我哋點樣正確咁樣去食呢個韓餐。
In Korea, we make this like vodka and a beer cocktail by popping chocolate. So, do you guys have like shorter glasses?
Shorter.
Exactly.
Thank you.
No, we don't. Yeah, just for the measurement. Yeah. I consider half of the glass of soju, which is not that strong, right? Like they pretend like not looking, but I'm sure they're like looking at us like, oh. Hello, baby, and this is like something that Korean can do. What you have to do is just like place the chocolate like this, like you see that? It's like stand to each other, and this is how you do it. Ha! Wow. There you go, my baby. Yeah, sure. Lettuce.
Oh.
And that doesn't go over.
Thank you.
Exactly why.
Yeah. Alright, alright.
What's the cheering?
Gone boy.
Gone boy.
Gone boy.
Okay. Gone boy.
Usually, as you can see, it's a frozen meat, but yeah. For myself, you guys don't get hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Yeah, I'm hungry too, actually.
I don't know, like something sad.
Effort. 咁我哋啱啱食完嘢之後咧，我哋食嘢嘅時候咧就飲咗好多酒啦。咁然後咧佢哋唔夠喉喎，就話要嚟埋呢個酒吧去飲酒。所以我哋而家跟住，其實我哋都好醉㗎啦，但係我哋跟住嚟都要繼續飲。咁我哋今晚應該冇辦法繼續拍㗎啦，我諗醉到。咁就聽日我哋就出發去呢個貝加爾湖啦。Let's go！